Hi Steve, it's Mark from FMAV. Just to let you know, I've done your laser and it's all working as it should be. I've put a brand new laser in. Your laser was dead, basically, so I've given it a good service for you, and all is working. As you can see, you can hear it. Yeah, it's all good. I've had it on test now for several hours, and yeah, I'm showing zero faults, zero errors, which is all good. You know, if by any chance you've got a 6-month warranty on it, parts and labour anyway, I doubt whether you'll even need to use it, but it's there anyway. I'd appreciate feedback on my item, as we do offer a good service, and you know, as you already know, we're 200 and something quid cheaper than B&O. How do I know that? Because I do the B&O repairs. But anyway, there you go. Thanks very much, Steve. Have a great new year. All the best. Thank you.